going to open the stick box. Just looking forward to it. First we will make it up. And we don't know what the sticks are there, but I just know it's sticks. Hope it will not disappoint you. Yeah. Well, all kinds of sticks. We'll open it one by one. The first one is a holographic sticks. You can see the light. It's very colorful. So nice. If you are a holograph fan, you will love it so much. With the light changing, the color will changing as well. There are all kinds of holographic stickers. You can also custom yours. Very nice. Second one is the sticker. I just forget how to call it, but you can see it's very colorful, and the color is very deep, grace and delicate. Well, just you can make your design very exactly correct. Wow, this is so beautiful. Wow, there's a cat. This is my choice. I choose the cat. I don't know whether or not you like it, but I just love the cat. It's just like the photo on the photo. Well, a very cute cloud. Yes, it's just like the photo. Amazing. The printing is so nice. Another cloud is an eagle. Very tough. Another cartoon stick. Like the cat, I guess. Cat, I love that. Do you like it? If you like it, just click the thumb. Wow, you can see the fur so clearly. Nice. You can make all kinds of design by yourself. It's like the earphone. Like you write it, you draw it in the stick. Very nice. So you can just have a look at this. All kinds of colorful stick. You can make your fans like wow, amazing. It's the animation. Girl, I think you like it. You can make it to attach to anywhere you want. The desk, the book, and the notebook, and maybe wherever you want. And next one is also the holographic. You can see the beautiful film. Wow, so nice. The light and the film are the star, and you can see them shining in the stick, so beautiful. And another butterfly. And it will add more charm to the design, exactly. So nice. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Wow. So many beautiful butterflies. Sticker, like the butterfly, blah, 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 fly into your heart. Wow, so shiny. The star is just like the pattern on the butterfly, and you will see they just come into together, combine together. Wow, amazing. Cool. And now let's see the tiger. Very tough. I don't know if you like the style, and if you have some style you like, you can send to me. Maybe next time is your design. Wow. It's very strong sense to our eyes, and you can see them so clear. You just like it's staring at you. Okay, that's the part. Wow. And the next one, you can see the very beautiful vinyl clear. 是叫 vinyl clear 吗？ Vinyl. I just know how to say it. A very beautiful vinyl butterfly. Wow, amazing. It's 100% the photo of the butterfly. Blah blah blah. Now let's just see the shot. Really nice. 这个叫什么贴纸？就是乙烯基贴纸啊。Very cool and very clear printing. So many. Very clear. So cool. It's like the tattoo. Very nice. Okay, maybe I will make some photos of it. And then you can see a very cool cat. Cat eagle. It's very cool with the cat. The cap, the glass, and the beautiful blue pattern. Very cool. Wow. Cool. Oh. Wow. So many more. And also, we just don't forget the milk tea. I love it and I choose it. Very nice. It's purple and it's very, very cute. So nice. last one, we'll see the very cute cats. Yes, I choose it again. I just hope you will like it. And the color is very beautiful. To some extent, there will be color difference, but we just update our printing and it will be more and more better. And we also will send you the photos of the stick and you will make sure it is what you want. Okay, that's today's unboxing. Which one do you like most? Just tell me, and if you like us, then just follow us and follow us in the Twitter and Facebook. And if you have any questions, just ask me. We will tell you at maybe in 2 or 3 days, as soon as possible. We will, yes. And just order in Vograce.com, yeah. And we will make our salesman to contact with you if there's some problems. Okay, that's all. Today's unboxing is over. Just follow us and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.